In this video, we learn how to create image views in Android. And when user clicks on our image views, we want to change the background image. Create a new project and name it image view. First, add some images to drawable folder. We added 4 images. Now go to layout and change container to a linear layout and set orientation to vertical and set an ID for this linear layout. Now add an image view, set its width and height to 140 dp, set an ID to it, and set its gravity to center and set its source to background image. Now add a button. So when user clicks on this button, we want to add 3 image views to our linear layout. Now go to our main activity. First, get a reference of our linear layout. Next, get a reference of our image view and set a click event for this image view. And inside this click event, just set a background of our linear layout to background image. Now run the app. This is our app, and when user clicks on this image view, background changes. Now get a reference of our button and create another linear layout. And set orientation to horizontal. And add this linear layout to our container linear layout. Now set a click event for our button. Inside our click event, create an instance of image view. And set its width and height equals to our first image view. And set its gravity to center horizontal. And use image view dot set layout params and pass or layout params. We want 3 image view to be created, so we use a for loop and pass our codes here. Now we set image drawable of our image view. We have a string, background image, and a counter to get our drawable, we have to use get resources, dot get identifier, pass our name or resource name, which is background image, plus our counter, and we have to set its type, which is a drawable, and we have to pass our package name. And we add this image view to our horizontal linear layout, and we set a chilish event for this image view, so we change our container linear layout to background to this image. We just copy and paste the code that we write before. Change I to a, move it to a final I, and our loop should execute 3 times. Here is our code, and when user clicks on any image view, background changes. Thank you for watching.